What's going on, guys? Skylord Studios 005 back here again. And today we have a November drop review. So we have the Emperor Might deck set to review and Wolf Hunt to review. Going over Wolf Hunt first because it's the less interesting one. We have the CX Evolution to Silver Wolf being Wolf Hunt. This is, I think, our first actual gimmicky assist blade. Comes on 060 and disc ball. You can see the wolf chip looks pretty cool there. Disc ball's not great, but 060 I think definitely has potential on Wizard Rods, like maybe Wizard Rods 060 Hexa. Nice metal and like icy white. Looks pretty cool. The assist blade free is the free spinning ring. Very much like Silver Wolf. And here's the wolf lock chip. You can see there's the Bakugan Shoot logo there. But this is the Hunt Blade. So the Hunt Blade reminds me a lot of the Fang Blade from Leon Fang, which is a Beyblade X Evo Battle exclusive pack-in-bay. So this actually looks like it's going to be kind of like Cobalt Drake in CX form, which I think is going to be very cool because Cobalt Drake was one of my favorites. If I'm able to replicate its combo on Hexa, I think that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, a closer look at the free blade. You can see it's a 60 height assist blade, but it does have free spin, kind of help deflect attacks. And yeah, so this was the CX booster for November. And you can kind of see 060 kind of lines up with disc ball there. Disc ball is not great because it's too tall, but I think 060 pairing up with it might help it out a bit. But yeah, overall, a really cool looking bay. Looks a lot better in person than it does from the pictures. If I'm able to find my copy of Silver Wolf, I can kind of compare it to like what came before. This is Silver Wolf. Silver Wolf's gimmick was free spin, and it did come on free ball. So, it still maintains that free spinning gimmick, just in a bigger form, in a more aggressive form. It's kind of funny because this is based off Warborg 1, and this is based off Warborg 2 from Bakugan Shoot. But this one came out beforehand, before this one. So it's like Warborg 2 came out before Warborg 1, which I think is kind of funny. But moving on to the Emperor Might deck set, going over the least interesting one first is the Metal Coat Green Golem Rock. This actually looks really cool, but it's Golem Rock. It should be pretty good for some upper attack. And it does come on M85, which I think is the first time we're seeing it be reprinted. And it does come on High Needle, unfortunately. But overall, this is a pretty cool aesthetic blade, but the rest is kind of meh. And for TT's first time releasing it, this is what was originally a Hasbro exclusive Shark Gill. Original was Gill Shark. It comes on the blue free ball, a white 560. Kind of a blue and white color scheme. Is a modified Shelter Drake. And if I'm able to find the Hasbro version, you can see not too long ago we got the Hasbro version that came on 470 Orb versus 560 Free Ball. And you can kind of see that it's the same thing, it's just a Shelter Drake Echo, but still pretty cool. But now getting to the main focus of today's video, we have Emperor Might. So this is actually a pretty cool bay, simply due to the fact that it is a kind of a DLC bay. We're supposed to combine the original CX Persona releases with this to make them better. Stock combo form, it does look pretty good. It comes with our second ever Ratchet Bit Fusion, which is Operate. Now Operate operates like Extend from Burst. You kind of lift it up and switch it. It goes from like a tapered flat to a almost needle-like ball. It goes from 80 to 85 height ratchet, so it's going to be interesting to see how that has issues stabilizing. Also goes from a 4-bladed mode to a 2-sided mode for attack. So, yeah. Looking at the parts individually, so looking at the heavy assist blade, this is our first ever assist blade to have metal in it. So this is good. This is the heaviest assist blade in the game right now. This is meant as an upgrade for Drawn Brave. Next up is the Might main blade, and the Might main blade is meant to upgrade Wizard. This could become Wizard Might instead of Wizard Arc. And Operate upgrades Hell's Reaper, but this is the Emperor lock chip. Has a crown on it. This is just generally kind of a really nice thing because if you didn't get Valkyrie Volt, you now have access to a metal lock chip. I do believe it is a gram lighter than Valkyrie though. So really quickly, you guys can see there the differences. You can see there's like cuts on the sides here, whereas Valkyrie didn't have that. I think the hole in the center was smaller than the little gem here, but still, definitely a cool looking bay. I'm not gonna lie, they always the end of year bays are always really good. I think last year we got Nightmail in November. We got Samurai Saber and we got Crimson Garuda. So all of those were actually pretty good. And the first year we had Drawn Dagger and Hell's Reaper and Rhino Horn. So November's always been a pretty cool month, but let's do a test spin of Wolf Hunt first. Then we'll test spin Shark Gill, then Emperor Might. 3, 2, 1, shoot. And as you can see, the free spin assist blade. And then there's Gill Shark or Shark Gill. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And finally, Emperor Might. And it's, I guess, defensive mode. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Definitely a cool looking bay. And now, let's see it in its attack mode. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. You can definitely hear that this bay is heavy. So we're going to start by doing some test battles with just stock Emperor Might. Then we'll do one test battle with probably Gill Shark or Shark Gill. Do a few test battles with Wolf Hunt, and then finally showcase the Persona upgrades. So for the first battle, I had to do Pegasus Blast versus Emperor Might. Fused Ratchet versus Fused Ratchet. Let's see who's going to win. And we're going to start Emperor Might in its defensive mode. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Emperor Might, 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Pegasus Blast. Alright, so now we're going to switch it to its attack mode. So it's going to be a bit taller now. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, definitely not as good as the other mode, especially with the weight. But that is Emperor Might, 2-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Also, both of these did come with metal coats. That is Emperor Might 3-1 or 3-2. Now we're going to revert it back to its stamina mode. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Emperor Might split. Now let's see Emperor Might versus Clock Mirage. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is Clock Mirage 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is the first finish for Emperor Might. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Clock Mirage 2-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is Clock Mirage finish. Alright, so it did lose to Clock Mirage, but now we're going to see it up against Valkyrie Volt. Metal Lock Chip battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is Emperor Might 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is 2-0, Emperor Might. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Emperor Might 3-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is Emperor Might's win. Alright, so now we're going to move on from battling Emperor Might to do Shark Gills battle, which will be up against Shark Scale. Deck Set Shark versus Deck Set Shark. Let's see who's going to win. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. We're going to reshoot that one. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Shark Scale. 2-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is 5-0. Shark Scale. Alright, so now we're going to move on to Wolf Hunts battles, which its first battle is going to be up against Silver Wolf. Let's see how it does. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So I do believe that Wolf Hunt has better defense than Silver Wolf, but Silver Wolf has a lot better stamina because of free ball. As you can see, Disc Ball is kind of wobbling. And that is Silver Wolf 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Silver Wolf 2-0. 3, 2, and go shoot. 3, 2, and go shoot. That is 4-0, first finish for Silverwolf. Alright, so now we're going to see it up against Drawn Brave. See if they can beat the CX version of the Drawn Bay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 2 points to Drawn Brave. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Drawn Brave 4-0. Also, something that I want to point out that's probably a big weakness to this bay is the fact that the assist blade, you can literally look at it from a flat angle. The assist blade is bigger than the main blade, making all the attacks from the main blade kind of pointless because the plastics will be making contact rather than the metal. But either way, for the final battle, we're going to do 2 rounds of the final battle, and you'll see why. But the final battle will be up against Soul Eclipse, just like in the anime and the manga. And just like in the anime or manga, we are going to switch Soul Eclipse to start off with its blue smash attack mode. And there we go, we got the smash attack mode for Soul Eclipse. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is 2-0, Soul Eclipse. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Soul Eclipse wins. Alright, so now in the red upper attack mode, let's see how it does. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, it's actually doing a lot better against the red upper attack mode. That is Wolf Hunt 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 2, 1, Soul Eclipse. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is 3, 2, Soul Eclipse. Or I mean, Wolf Hunt's win. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is Soul Eclipse, making it 3-3. So, match point, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1. Soul Eclipse wins. Alright, so really quickly, I'm going to give my overview thoughts about Wolf Hunt, and then we'll get into the CX Persona upgrades. So overall, my thoughts on Wolf Hunt are, I think its parts have a lot of potential behind them, especially the free assist blade. I think that can be used to make pretty good defensive combos, and like maybe paired with the Fang blade from the Leon Fang, I think could make it pretty good. I will admit, after a few battles, it's kind of like not as easy to spin. That could be quality control. The Hunt Blade, I think, could work on Hexa for like a kind of defensive attacker, but that's just my thoughts. The Wolf Chip does look cool, but overall, it's not super meta. I think 060 is going to definitely do good on stuff like Rod and maybe Dragoon, and Disc Ball is not great. So I think there's potential with the parts, but stock, it's just not good, unfortunately. But yeah, so moving on, we are going to take the parts from Emperor Might and show them how they're supposed to upgrade each Persona Bay. Alright, so taking a look at the new CX Persona combos, Drawn Brave gets the heavy assist blade, adding more attack potential to it. You can see there's metal right there, metal there, to add weight to Drawn Brave, and it does feel substantially heavier. Hell's Reaper gets the Operate Ratchet Bit combo. So now it kind of has 4 modes, kind of like Soul Eclipse, where you have the stamina, the attack, the facing up, and the facing down assist blade. And then finally we have Wizard Might, which gets the assist blade to make it more round and have better stamina. So we are going to do 1 battle with each one. And also the leftovers leave you with Emperor Arc / 470 kick. So this is just everything that's not being used. But we are going to see Drawn Brave on heavy up against Impact Drake 780 year point. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Dang. That is Drawn Brave, 1 point. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Drawn Brave, 2-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Drawn Brave, 3-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And 3, 3, Impact Drake. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Drawn Brave's win. Now we're going to see Hell's Reaper on Operate up against Perseus Dark. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That's Perseus Dark, 1-0. And now we're going to switch it to its stamina defensive mode. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is 4-0, Hell's Reaper. 2-0. 2-1, Hell's Reaper. And now we're going to switch it to its upper mode with the assist blade, along with its attack mode for the ratchet fused bit Operate. So kind of both are more aggressive modes. 3, 2, 1, shoot. And that is 4, I think 2, Perseus Dark. And now finally we're going to have Wizard Might up against Wise Tiger. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is 2-0, Wise Tiger. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, Wizard Might. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That is Wise Tiger. So overall, what are my thoughts on the Persona upgrades? I think Wizard Might only lost because of 455. This is a very worn out 455. I kind of have to get a new one. It barely locks on anymore. Like just a little bit makes it go. But I do think this is probably the strongest one. It's kind of unfortunate that it was let down by 455. Hell's Reaper I think is fun. I don't think it's gonna be too big. It's kind of like trying to replicate Soul Eclipse, where it's like now you have 2 mode changes rather than just the one. And Drawn Brave just makes it heavier, hit harder. So yeah, What do you guys think of these Persona evolutions, and what do you guys think of Emperor Might as a whole? Let me know your guys' comments in this. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.